Let me show you all of the gestures and motions that you can find in Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first we need to open settings on our device, then scroll down and look for a system. Click on it, then go for the gestures right here, and now we can see all of the options. Starting from quick tap to start actions, you can select it, turn it on and off, then assign a different action that will be performed after clicking on your quick tap, and you can also enable or disable require stronger taps. Now to actually perform it, we need to grab our device, and then you need to tap in this area right here, and do it quickly. Just tap like this, and that way you'll be able to perform this quick action. Next one will be double press power button to access your camera or wallet. You can choose between those two options or disable this feature entirely. So now if we double press on the power button, it quickly opens our camera, although we need to unlock our device afterwards. Next is flip camera for selfie. So if you have your phone and you activate your camera, you can wiggle your phone like this to switch between the front view and the back view of your camera. Next is tap to check phone. If you lock your device, you can tap, and then you'll be able to preview your lock screen for notifications and anything else. Then there's lift to check phone. It works the same way. You just need to pick up your phone when it's on to check to wake up your screen. Then we have one-handed mode. You can activate it right here if you're using 3 buttons, and then you can pull the notification bar to the middle of your phone so you can access it with one hand much easier. Although if you're using the gestures mode, you need to activate it right here. Then we have the flip to silence your phone. If you activate it, then you can flip your phone upside down screen to the table to enter silent mode, so you won't be able to hear any calls or any ringtones and etc. And the last one is press and hold power button to call out a digital assistant, or you can change it to power mini. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.